Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, and in our last lecture, do you know what we have done? Okay, we have done word problem on subtraction. Okay, and we have completed this chapter also. So today we are going to do revision time. Okay, that means again we are going to revise all the topics that we have done in this chapter. Okay, so open page number 89. First of all of you take out your textbook and your notebook from your bag first and get ready for study. First of all, take out your maths book and your notebook, and in book open page number 89. Page number 89. First open page number 89. Revision time. So in revision time exercise, all those questions are there which already we have done. जो हमने कर लिए हैं वही chapters वापस revise करना है. Sorry, वही questions. So I hope all of you have opened your notebook also. So take out new page and start writing with me. First write the date. Here write today's date. What is the date today? Write here first. Right. So the first question is add on the number line. Okay. So first question is having two parts, A and B. So in part A, add on the number line and B is subtract on the number line. So only two questions are there. So we will do some extra questions also, and I will give you some homework questions also. Okay. So start writing with me. Write question 1A. Write question 1A. First write on the top of your notebook revision time. Okay. What we are going today? We are starting revision time. So write revision time. REVISION. Revision time. Revision time. Right. Revision time. Now write question 1A. Question 1A. Question 1A. Add on the number line. First question is add, add on the number, number line. This is the first question. Add on the number line. Add on the number line. First write the question. Now see what is the first question. Add on the number line. Now write 1, because in your book only one question is there. So we are going to do some extra questions also. The first given question in your book is 53 plus 6 is equals to. So first we will write the question. 53 plus 6 is equals to. Write this question. 53 plus 6 is equals to. So we have to add 53 plus 6, so we have to add these two numbers but using number line. So for that we draw a number line. So using a ruler, a scale, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Now what is the next step? That we have to write numbers on the number line. We have to the numbers on the number line. So start writing. Since 50 we are adding 53 and 6. So 53 must be on this number line. जो 53 है वो इस नंबर लाइन पे होना चाहिए. So what we will do, how we will write the numbers on the number line, so that 53 हमें ऐसे सीक्वेंस लिखना है जिसमें 53 आना चाहिए. So 53 कौन सी लाइन में आता है when we are writing numbers? 51 की लाइन में आता है. So we will start writing from 50. 50 in one box, write one number. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. We will write till 60, okay? 58, 56, 57, 58, 59 and last is 60. Till 60 I have written numbers on the number line. Okay. Okay. Once again I am drawing the number line because I think it is not clear and it will be not visible for you. So once again I am drawing the number line. You don't erase your number line. आपको अपनी number line erase नहीं करनी है. Okay. Once again I am drawing the number line. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Okay. Now write 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Okay. Now what is the first number? First number is 53. That means on which number you are? You are at number 53. So we are at number 53. Make a big dot on 53. Now see how many steps? In before also I have explained you that while adding we move forward in number line, and in subtraction we move backward in number line. Okay. So this is the question of addition. So we move forward. So how many steps we have to move? That will depend on the second number. So what is the second number here? Second number here is 6. That means we have to move 6 steps forward. So start counting with me. 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At which number we stop? We stop at number 59. So this number पे हम stop करते हैं. That will be our answer. So here the answer is 5959. So write here 5959. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. I hope all of you have done it. Now the second question which we are going to do is not given in your book. So this is extra question. So write second. Write second and write the question. 32 plus 5 is equals to. 32 plus 5 is equals to. Write the question fast. Now again we have to draw the number line and we have to write the numbers on the number line. But which numbers we have to write on the number line? That will depend our question that which number is written here. So here number is 32. तो हमें नंबर लाइन पे वो नंबर्स लिखने हैं जिसमें 32 आएगा. So 32 कौन सी सीरीज में आएगा? 31, 32, 33. So we will start writing the numbers on the number line from 30 or 31. So first draw the number line. Draw the number line and write the numbers. Write 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. Write fast, draw the number line and write the numbers from 30 to 39 or 30 to 40 on the number line. Fast, and there should be same distance between the given numbers. That means the numbers we are writing here on the number line, the distance between the two numbers will be same. इसके बीच का जो distance है वो आपको same रखना है. ऐसा नहीं इसके बीच में आपने एक बॉक्स छोड़ दिया, इसके बीच में आपने दो बॉक्स छोड़ दिए, नहीं. One box means one box. You have to leave one box, okay? One number in one box. Write fast. Now we will solve the question. We will add 32 and 5 using the number line. So first the number is 32. That means on which number you are standing on the number line? On 32. So make a big dot on number 32. This is also a question of addition. So in addition, in which direction we move? We move forward direction. One by one steps, but how many steps we have to move? That will depend on our second number. So second number कौन सा है हमारा? Our second number is number 5. That means हमें 5 step move करना है. So we have to move 5 steps. So start counting with me. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 steps चले. And on which number we stop? We stop at number 37. So answer of 32 plus 5 is 37. Write fast. Write fast. So 2 questions we have done. Now I will give you 2 questions for homework. So after writing this second question, I am going to give you 2 homework questions. So write fast. Okay, now write the homework question. Just after the second question you have written, you write here homework and you have to solve these 2 questions using number line. Okay, so write the question. 68 plus 7 is equals to 68 plus 7 is equals to. So you have to draw the number line also. And which number you have to write while you are doing this question? 68 number जो है वो number line पे आना चाहिए. Okay. So 68 plus make it 3. 68 plus 3 is equals to 68 plus 3 is equals to. Now one more question. This is third. Now write homework question Homework question number 4. Right? 80 plus 8 is equals to 80 plus 8 is equals to. So these two questions are homework question and you have to do these two questions by drawing a number line. First write these two questions, then we will do the next question, its second part, that is subtract on the number line. Question 1 part B. So fast note down your homework question, question 3rd and question number 4. I hope all of you have noted it. Now I am rubbing the question. Now we are going to solve the B part of question number 1, that is subtract using number line. So in this question also only one question is given. So we are going to solve some extra question also and I am going to give you homework question also. Okay. Now write question 1 part B. Question 1 part B. So first note down the question, subtract on the number line. Subtract, write the question, subtract, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T, subtract on the number line. Subtract on the number line. Copy the question fast. Now the question that is given in the book is 67 minus 7. So first write the first question. 67 minus 7. 67 minus 7. So for this also, first we draw the number line. But in subtraction, we move in backward direction. In subtraction, we move backward direction in a number line. So, while writing the numbers on the number line, when we are doing subtraction, जब हम subtraction करते हैं और हम numbers लिखते हैं number line पे, तो उसको भी हमें backward direction में ही लिखना है. Why? Because in subtraction we move in the backward direction. हम opposite direction में move करते हैं. ओके, सो नंबर लाइन में वो नंबर्स होना चाहिए. हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स यू आर मूविंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन, दैट नंबर शुड बी ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो हम इसमें जब नंबर्स लिखते हैं नंबर लाइन पे तो हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग लिखते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट सी व्हाट इज द नंबर हियर, 67. सो राइट दैट नंबर 67 and number that come after 67 is 68. So start writing from 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60 and 59. In this way we have to write the numbers on the number line while we are doing subtraction using the number line. जब भी हम subtract करते हैं number line का यूज करके, तो हम जब numbers लिखते हैं number line पे, तो we have to write the numbers in backward direction. Okay, backward counting. We have to write numbers using backward counting. Now the first number is 67. That That means you are standing on which number? We are standing on the number 67. Now, how many steps you have to move backward? 7 steps. How many steps you have to move backward? 7 steps. So, start moving. Start counting with me. 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At which number we stop? We stop at number 60. So, the answer of 67 minus 7 will be 60. Write fast. Now, the next question. Write second. Write second. Now, write the question. Write the question. 78 minus 5 is equals to 78 minus 5 is equals to 78 minus 5 is equals to. Now again you have to draw a number line. So first draw a number line using scale. Draw a straight line. Now again you have to write numbers on the number line and 78 number line पे होना चाहिए. और since we are doing subtraction, so we are moving backward. So इसमें backward counting अलग. Again we are going to write backward counting. So 78 is there. So first write the 78. Okay. Now write the number that comes just after 78. 79. Now write the backward counting. So 79, 78, then 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72 and 71. If you want, you can check also whether you have written all the numbers or not by counting. So start counting. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. All numbers are there. Okay. Now start subtraction. So on which number you are standing? You are standing on number 78. So make a big dot on number 78. Now you have to move backward direction. But how many steps you have to move? 5 steps. So start counting with me. 5 steps in backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you stop at number 73. So answer of 78 minus 5 will be 73. Write the answer. Fast. Do your work. Then again I am going to give you 2 homework questions. Write fast. Now homework. So after writing second, write homework and copy the third question. The same question you have to solve using number line. Right? 56 minus 4 is equals to 56 minus 4 is equals to. One more question. 4. 49 minus 7 is equals to. So these two are the homework question for subtracting on number line. First question is 56 minus 4 equals 2 and the second question is 49 minus 7 equals 2. So these two are homework question of subtraction on the number line, and two question already I have given you addition on the number line. Okay, so try to solve these four question. I make sure that all the students will do the question. Okay, so here I will stop my lecture and we will continue our other question in our next lecture. Okay, so have a good day. Bye students.